Today's tool review. Today we're going to do a tool review, and I wanted to do, I am doing a tool review on a multi-tool. So this is something that you should have in your toolbox if you're a DIY person or a professional. Probably if you're a carpenter, you probably have one. I know you have one if you're a painter, but if you're a homeowner, you may not. And this is an incredible tool. It's called a multi-tool. Now there's different varieties of them. There's a 15-in-1, there's a 14-in-1, and there's a just regular, the old original ones that don't have all of that other fancy stuff on them. But let's talk about a few things that they do. They will act as a spreader, a chisel scraper, a paint can opener, a roller cleaner, a nail puller. It's got the 14-in-1 has some, you can see that little Phillips head screw bit that goes on it. And I tell you what, that end of that handle makes a good little hammer if you need to knock a nail in. And then of course it's got the little, the other function is the little scraper and the Phillips head. It's got 4 Phillips head screwdrivers, 2 nut drivers, and a nut wrench. That's what I was trying to say, sorry. And then the little tear-shaped part up on the top of it there will pull nails, and then it's got a pretty sharp edge. If you need to cut something, you need to be careful with that. Also, that blade is real stiff, so a lot of times you can use it if you have to for a little chisel. If you need a chisel, they're tough enough that you can take a hammer and bang on the handle to make it work as a chisel. And it's a great emergency tool. If you're scraping it, let's say you want to clean some grout out of some tile, you can take the edge and you can scrape grout out. You can scrape old caulking out. If you're painting your house and you're trying to scrape old flaky paint off the wood, the edge of that thing is nice and hard, so you can get down. Now you want to make sure you don't gouge it, because you can do that as well. But pretty much all the carpenters that I have on my projects have one of these things, and if they don't have one, it's because one of their buddies stole it. All the painters have them, and so go check out that multi-tool, and you can get it at any of the big box stores or a paint store. And that's our tool review for this week. And that's our show for this week. So have a wonderful week. Until next week, this is Alex Guthrie. Check it. Hey, before I leave, go to the YouTube channel for Remodel Revolution, subscribe, and watch some of these videos we've been putting up, because we're putting up more and more videos. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next week.
The views and opinions of this program are for educational and entertainment purposes only and are not intended to replace the recommendations of a hired professional. You can catch Remodel Revolution anytime. Follow the show on the website, remodelrevolutionradio.com, or on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, using the handle @Remodel Revolution Radio. You can always listen to the show on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, and TuneIn, and watch the show anytime on YouTube.